If you're paying $199 plus per month for Sales Navigator, but you're still manually clicking connect on every profile and sending individual messages, you're wasting your money and your time. Sales Nav can help you find leads, but it doesn't send the invites. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to bridge that gap. We'll take a saved search from Sales Navigator and launch a LinkedIn auto connection campaign in under 3 minutes using Firstlines, the #1 LinkedIn automation tool. First, we need to go to the Firstlines.AI website, click try for free to create your account and get a free 7-day trial, no credit card required. And once you're logged into the Firstlines dashboard, go to the Chrome web store. Search for Firstlines.AI and add to Chrome. Add extension, and next we want to find our leads that we'd like to engage with via Sales Nav. So go back to the Firstlines dashboard, and on the navigation panel on the left-hand side, click Leads. Click Import Leads, and here you can import leads either from LinkedIn, LinkedIn Sales Nav, CSV upload, or manual entry. We're using Sales Nav today, so when you click on this, it'll open up directly into your logged in LinkedIn account to the Sales Navigator page. Now, as you can see, I've already put in some filtering options for CEOs in Phoenix who are in the tech and internet industry, and it's provided me with 547 results. Now, if you've already installed the Chrome extension, but you don't see the Firstlines button on the top right-hand side of your page, just do a quick page refresh, and you'll see the button pop right up. Additionally, if you select any one of the leads, you'll also see the Firstlines button on the profiles. Now we're ready to import, so go ahead and click Import Leads, and it'll open up into another tab in your browser, and now we can choose where we'd like to import these leads. So from the dropdown, we can select either new list, add to campaign, or existing list. Today, we're going to leave it as a new list. And for the list name, you can give it any name you'd like. I like to keep mine simple. I'm just going to keep it as CEOs in Phoenix, Tech Info and Internet. Click Start Import, and it'll automatically import all of those leads directly to your Firstlines account. Once it's finished, you'll receive a notification saying that all of the leads have been imported. Click View Leads, and it'll take you directly to the list of leads that you've just imported. Additionally, you can click on this button, Back to Lists, and here you can find all of the leads lists that you've imported so far. So we found our leads through Sales Nav filters, and we've imported them to our Firstlines account, but now we need to send our invitations and connection requests. So next, we're going to the navigation panel again on the left-hand side, click Campaigns, and Create New Campaign. And here we can give our campaign a new name. I like to keep my campaign name similar to the leads list, so I'm just going to leave it as CEOs in Phoenix, Arizona. Continue to set up, and now we select our leads that we'd like to send this campaign to. So from the drop-down menu, we can select our CEOs that we've just imported, our 547 contacts here, and then you want to make sure that this blue toggle is left on to exclude any leads that are already active in existing campaigns in order to avoid doubling up on sending any connection requests or messages. Click Next. And here we can choose our template. We can select either connection request, connection plus a follow-up, a message only, which is usually sent to existing connections already, or we can completely start from scratch and build our own custom sequence. For today, let's just stick with connection request. And already you can see that I'm provided with a template for my connection request. You can adjust this as you'd like with these custom variables down below, or you can leave it as is. For today, we're just going to leave it as is. Hi, first name. I'm currently growing my network and would love to be connected. Click Next. And for our final step, we can preview our campaign before it's sent out. So on the left-hand side, we can see all 547 of our leads. And as we click on each one, you're able to see a preview pop up on the right-hand side for what each individual connection message will look like. Once that looks good, click Launch Campaign. And congratulations, you've just saved yourself hours of manual clicking and manual entry. Now it's your turn, have fun, and make your Firstlines count.